Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another beauty monthly subscription box to share with you, and it's not a box, it's a tin this month, and it is a Birchbox. Look at this tin! Something a little bit different. I don't think I've ever received a tin like this before from Birchbox. If you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this September tin, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This is Birchbox UK, and what you're seeing in this video is only shipped within UK. There are other Birchboxes out there, but the cost of the box is £12.95, and that includes shipping, and it contains 5 beauty treats ranging from hair care, skincare, makeup, body care, nails, anything beauty related. The products inside the subscription tend to be on the small side. We do sometimes get full size items, but it's rare. It tends to be sample or travel size. Their thinking is they want to give you a gorgeous treat once a month, and if you like the products, then you will go onto their website and purchase the full size version. So it's like a product testing subscription then. So that's why it's a little bit different to like your Glossy Box or Look Fantastic, where you're more likely to see full size products in them. As well as the monthly subscription, when you sign up, you will automatically receive 10% off any purchases off their website, and they also do like limited edition one-off boxes now and again as well. If you subscribe 6 months or more with them, you become a VIP, and that entitles you to receive 15% off any purchases. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I've got a huge playlist on YouTube if you want to have a look at what previous boxes have been like, but yeah, if there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. September's theme is Shape Your Space. Now more than ever, our homes are sanctuaries. The spaces we live in and the things we surround ourselves with directly influence our lives. May your September Birchbox serve as a stylish yet functional addition to your home that will calm your space and soothe your soul. You will either receive a peachy coloured lid tin or a mustard one. It's got there. And I believe you might have been able to choose, but I didn't bother choosing because I didn't care. So sometimes they do give you the option, if they've got like a blush or a lipstick or something, then you will have an email saying which would you prefer, which shade would you prefer for next month's box. If you don't reply like what I did for this month, then they just give you a random one. It's got on the back here, we want to say a big thank you to all you lovely Birchboxers with a whole customer appreciation month. We're so happy that you enjoy discovering your new favourite products with us, and this month we have some very special surprises in store for our loyal customers. We will be refunding one order every week, discounting our throwback boxes and offering special discounts on your favourite goodies. Oh, so that's something to look out for. Alright then, so let's go through the products. So first up, we have got a shampoo bar. This is Faith and Nature coconut and shea butter, 100% no SLS or parabens, of natural origin. Faith and Nature is a really gorgeous brand. I've tried a few products from this brand before. I've got a hand wash that I'm using at the moment. It's a lavender hand wash, and it's so nice. It is really, really nice. So we've got a shampoo bar there. It smells nice, smells of coconut. We have got 2 full-size items this month, and this is one of them, and it has a retail price of £5.79. The shampoo bar is packed with all the goodness of organic coconut oil and shea butter to leave your hair nourished and hydrated with none of the damage to the planet. This shampoo bar is completely plastic-free, handmade and vegan. So that's the first item in the box. Next up, we've got a product by Feel Fruit, I think it is. Feel Fruit by Feel Fruit. Blueberries body cream, anyway. Firming, nourishing body cream with vegetable oils and fruit extracts. And it's 50 mils here. Oh, I wonder what it smells like. Oh, it does. It does. But sweeter. Blueberries, but a lot sweeter. This is a mini version, and the full size will cost you £16.50. It's a combination of argan oil, cocoa and shea butter and olive oil, as well as that sweet blueberry scent. Is a recipe sure to leave your skin feeling nourished, firm and regenerated. Moisturising has never felt so good. Respect for the environment and nature are the basis of Feel Free's ideas. So you've got a body cream. Next, we've got a Balance Me Radiance Face Oil, and this is 100% natural, and we've got 10 mils here. I was wondering if it came with a little roller applicator like that. Oh, it smells lovely. Radiance Face Oil. Yeah, it feels lovely. This is a mini version. The full size is worth £30. This is 100% natural oil that is great for all skin types. This nourishing facial cocktail is full of rosehip oil, Amazonian buriti, moringa, cacuai and camellia to restore radiance and give you a healthy dewy glow. This award-winning radiance elixir is made in the UK. It's got face oil. Next, we've got a makeup product by Wonder Beauty. It says Trip for Two Bronzer. Just open this up. This is a little mini one. Yeah, it's kind of like a peachy colour. Like a peachy brown warm bronzer there. This is a mini, but the full size will cost you £12. This is in shade Light Costa. Enriched with mango seed butter, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil and sea buckthorn, this skin-loving formula enhances summer skin beyond adding dimension and warmth. Wonder Beauty products are inspired by tips supermodel and co-founder Lindsay Ellingson picked up from makeup artists around the world. It's got a bronzer. And then lastly, our second full-size item. It's a gentle facial buffer from So Eco. I've had one of these before, so I'm going to pass this on. It looks like there. This actually looks harder than what it is. It feels quite soft actually. It is really nice. It is nice. A little band there so you're able to hold on to it. The recommended retail price for this buffer is £4. Suitable for every skin type, this reusable facial exfoliator gently removes dirt, oil and makeup to reveal soft, dewy, glowy skin. With or without cleanser, this 100% natural cotton buffer removes impurities on even the most sensitive skins. So there's that. So those are all the products inside my Birchbox for September. I forgot to say at the start, not everyone's Birchbox will be the same. They bring out an edit at the start of the month and you're able to have a look on their website what products you could receive. Everyone will receive around 2 to 3 of the same products, and then there could be like 2 different variants. So you might be watching this thinking, I love Clear's Box, I'm going to subscribe. You might not receive exactly the same, so there is that chance. But take a look on their website and you will see under subscriptions it usually shows all the products that are available for that month. But yeah, I'll just give you a quick recap of the products. So you've got a Faith in Nature Shampoo Bar, So Eco Facial Buffer, got a Wonder Beauty Bronzer, we've got a Feel Fruit by Feel Free Body Cream, and Balance Me facial oil. There's a few products I haven't tried there. The body cream I haven't used. It's not as thick and luxurious as I normally like for my body creams. I love body butters. The thicker, the better. This one's quite fluidy, but I will try it, see what it's like on my skin. It smells amazing. It does smell really amazing. Maybe a little bit too sweet, but we will see. Facial oils. I use facial oils coming into the winter months. I mix it usually with my moisturisers, just on like the sort of drier areas of my face. The buffer I'm going to pass on. The bronzer looks a nice shade. I've got a few shampoo bars that I need to try, so this will be added to my collection. I love the tin though. I do really like the tin. Birchbox should do more of these reusable containers. I think that's a great idea. But yeah, it's an okay box. It's not extremely exciting. I wouldn't say it's a wow box, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you received your box yet if you are a subscriber? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.